Hello everyone. So in this video, I just wanted to give some inputs on the coding part. Like whenever you are writing any code, so just wanted to tell you today a simple thing. Like for example, here you are doing yeah. So here you are doing a to update, and I mean you are just wanted to update some values, right? So like what is the value that you wanted to update? There is a one field, okay, that field that you are making it to empty. So that particular empty value that you need to update. Before that, actually, you can just write rst dot, okay. So select for update. Okay, so what this do is select for update. What this select for update do is like it is going to select. It is going to select that particular table for update. Okay, that's the reason you have to give like this select for update to true. Okay, to true. Let me just write. So whenever you are going to select, for update to true, what's going to happen is here we are updating the values. Okay. We are about to update the values. That's the reason you are giving like this. Okay. Once after this, you are making as a field as empty, and you are going to update this particular empty value to that particular field. Okay, so else for example, whenever you use this, you might get sometimes error. So I may not say that always you'll get the error. So if you get any type of error, if you are writing this statement, what you're going to do? Okay, so what you can do is just comment this. You can write this update statement directly on the while select. So what you have to write, while select for update. So if you get any error here, so you just try writing here while select for update, and you can just check all this. Okay, so this is how where you can use update method to whenever you are about to update some records, so you can use this select for update. If it is not working, so you can use it on the while select statements. Okay, so this is about a small input about the coding part. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.